Welcome back and thank you for watching this Entrepreneurs Marathon series. Last week we talked about you don't have to run all marathons, meaning you don't have to venture into all the opportunities that you come across. Today we have two gentlemen sharing their stories about how they came across multiple opportunities, but they very decisively chose to get into some and to walk away from some others. Hi, I'm Arvind Kevesra. I am a transformation coach working with individuals, be it entrepreneurs or professionals, and help them grow in their chosen area of vocation. Today, we are going to meet two entrepreneurs. The first, Vishal Mistry, owner of a company called ThinkInno. ThinkInno is a software development company specializing in custom developments. So let's hear from Vishal how he used this learning of you don't have to run all marathons in his business.
Hello. Every business, every company, every entrepreneur gets excited with one thing, and that is business inquiries. When you get inquiries, it's always tempting to jump on it, especially when you know that you can pull it off. I would like to share that in our business of software development, we develop applications to solve business problems, automate and simplify the business. And that's our expertise. Initially, it was very tempting to start developing websites for clients, and we were also getting inquiries. Though we had the skills, we felt that the kind of expertise we have collectively as a team, it will not be justified if we utilize our skills for website development. Hence, we took a decision to not take up any website development projects and focus only on the customized application development. With that, we have been able to successfully develop complex applications across the globe, across the sectors. Today, we are glad to take the decisions of not doing website development. However, we haven't stopped exploring the opportunities and using the expertise that we have. And we developed our own applications like loan management system, which is used by the direct selling agents of the banks, the franchisee management system, which is used by the franchisee owners, especially in the food industry, and Lead Victor as a lead management system that is used across the globe, across the sectors. So friends, focusing on the optimum utilization of the know-how and expertise and deciding on what to do and most importantly what not to do helped us. And we have been able to add value and contribute to the success of our clients through software solutions. Thank you very much.
Our second guest is Nitesh Jain. He is based out of Chennai and is in the business of luxury stationery items, specializing in luxury pens. Let's hear from Nitesh how getting into some business opportunities did not work in their favor and the lessons that he learned from it.
At Makoba, we were doing good with the retail business of luxury pens and premium accessories. So over a period of time, we realized why not get into luxury watches at our store, because a client buying a luxury pen would definitely go in for a luxury watch. So we added a new category of luxury watches at our store. But later we realized that was the wrong decision we made. All our customers knew Makoba as a specialized store for pens and accessories, and they never connected Makoba with watches. So gradually we phased out the watch category at our store, and we understood our specialization is pens and we need to stick with it. By realizing this, today we have opened a couple of more stores in various cities. We have a store in Delhi and we have a store in Ahmedabad. So by sticking to this specialization of pens at Makoba, today we have become popular across India for pens and premium accessories.
Right then, story from a software application development professional and a person who owns a retail store. different kinds of businesses, but same learnings. So, as we hear from the learnings of our two guests today, do not get into everything. Realize your strengths and see where best these strengths of yours can be utilized. Where can you create more value for the skill sets that you have, and accordingly decide what businesses you can venture into and what you should not, because you don't have to run all marathons. If you find this stories meaningful, do like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Achieve Thyself. And if you have a story that you think can be featured in any of these videos, feel free to write in the comment section, and I'll get in touch with you to take your story learnings with everybody else out here in the world. Thank you.